we will be practicing phoneme addition. Listen as I say this word, ape. Now listen as I add the k sound to the beginning of ape. K, ape. When I add the k sound to ape, I make a new word, cape. Continue listening to these examples. The word is ace. Now I'm going to add f to the beginning of ace. So now we have ace. My new word is face. Listen as I say a word, age. Now I want you to listen as I add the p sound to the beginning. P, age. My new word is page. Here's our last one. Listen as I say this word, take. Now listen as I add s to the beginning of take. Steak. Steak. Our new word is steak. I'm going to say more sounds and words. Add the sound to the beginning of the word to get a new word. And then I want you to tell me the word. But let's do the first one together. Listen. Aim. What word do I make when I add n to the beginning of aim? Aim with n at the beginning is aim. Name. The word is name. Alrighty, friends. So I will be saying more sounds and words. You add the sound to the beginning of the word to get a new word. Now, I will check in with you after a little bit to give you the correct answer. See if you get them right with me. Here we go. The word is ache. Add to the beginning. Our new word is make. Listen. Ace. Add Our new word is race. Listen. Aid. Add f to the beginning. Our new word is fade. Listen. Late. Add p. Our new word is plate. Listen. Ape. Add sh. Our new word is shape. Keep looking for words that when you add a sound to the beginning, it makes a new word. Alrighty, today we are going to work on contractions with the word not. Take a look here. Is not, isn't. Isn't is a contraction, which is a word made by putting two words together. Isn't is a shorter way of saying is not. I want you to take a look at the N apostrophe, that's what this guy is, T. The apostrophe stands for the letter O in not. Take a look. The O is not here. That's what the apostrophe stands for. The letter was removed when the contraction was formed. Let's take a look at this one. Are not. The contraction is aren't. Notice N apostrophe T. The apostrophe stands for the letters O that was removed. Let's take a look down here at cannot. When you put those together, it's can't. Notice N''T. In this case, the apostrophe stands for the N and the O. Let's use each of these words in a sentence. She isn't ready for the dog. Aren't you going to ask me a question? You can't have more ice cream. So again, notice that when we have a contraction with not, we get rid of the O and you add an apostrophe. Okay? We get rid of the O and we added an apostrophe. And in this case, you get rid of the N and the O and add an apostrophe. Okay, we're going to do that with these words here. So we have was not. The new word will be wasn't. So how should I write that? Well, we take the first part, the was, that stays the same. We write an N, apostrophe, T. Our new word is wasn't. Take a look. Like I said before, we get rid of the O and the apostrophe replaces it. Okay, now let's look at were not. The new word would be weren't. So we're going to keep the W-E-R-E. And then what should I write? N. What's the next thing? Apostrophe. And then a T. Now the word is weren't. Again, we got rid of the O. That's what the apostrophe stands for. And you added the apostrophe. Okay, let's get this one. This one will become hasn't. Well, we're going to get rid of the O, make it an apostrophe, right? Okay, let's write that over here. So hasn't. Help me write it. What letter should I write first? H, A, S, N. What's that special thing called? Apostrophe. And then a T. Now we have the word hasn't. Great job. We're going to practice our sight words. Remember that these need to be practiced every day at home, okay? That helps you become a stronger reader. So first we'll practice them together now, but then you should practice them on your own too. So we have away, now, some, way, why, today. Let's go through them one more time. Away, now, some, why, way, today. What we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of I Spy. So I will change the colors of the words, and you are going to have to tell me what the word is. Already, I could say, what is the green word? What would you say the green word is? Well, the green word, Mrs. Anderson, is now. Awesome. Okay. What is the black word? The black word is away. What is the purple word? The purple word is today. What's the blue word? Way. What's the black word? Away. Look at that. This has part of the same word in it. This is away, and this is just way. What's the red word? Why. What's the orange word? some. Great job today. Keep on practicing.